Hi, this is Lunchman on a how-to Lunchman. This is how to clean your lawnmower. Has a been gunked up. And we're in dirty clothes, as you can see. We make sure we're the dirtiest. So we wear our dirty gloves. Pick up dirty grass. Hopefully no dirty poop. We'll leave these. Can I get on? We can't have one glove on. Okay. That would be really slow. Man, just one glove. Alright, and we got our brush. Plastic bag of line. I left this one here before. Our producers could do some walking. This is what we do. We sit down. The first thing we have to do is unplug the spark plug. Stay here. I have to go see here, otherwise the producers don't move. Show me. Okay. If you don't move that, you could get a spark while and you can take your hand off. So you want to make sure we don't do that. Why is doing? There we go. I was like, what? What the hell is happening? So, kill you. So, this is all the crap. Builds up on the machine and it makes it harder to spin. Well, so we use this blade to scratch it off. Try not to hit ourselves in the face with grass. In the process. No, we're not plugging it back in. We only plug it back in once we're done. Oh, nope. What's wrong with you? So producers, if they want future episodes of How To, I suggest you. Come on. What's wrong with you? Clean this, like that, get the gunk off, and just takes a little bit of time. Then we'll show how to chuck this into the dump again. Oh, and apparently it's also important how you tip it up. If you tip it on the side, this has to go up. This was down. I don't know, something about the gas or the oil or something. Now, this is a little, we gotta stand back a little bit. We'll do this. Gonna go flying. Like that, see? Particles going flying. Alright. Scoop this up, like that. Try and get all we can. This is only part one of cleaning the machine. Now we're going to take this big ball and I'm going to chuck this on the producers. No, it's got you for Christ. Now we're just going to hand this to our producers. Okay. Put this on his head. No, okay. We take this. Doesn't matter because we're not cleaning the bottom anymore, so we put the spark plug back in. Oh. Or you could have put it, I could have put it in the bag, whatever. Whatever. There's at least chunks behind. Like that. I assume the spark plug back in again. No, it wasn't. Okay. Yeah, it looked like it did. And putting this in the garbage. Rest of our grass. Oh, now do. Clean the top, and then we're done. On. Just kind of go like that a little bit. In fact, what I like to do, in addition, pop off the gas, cold put it away. So we don't do it next time. So this is Lunchman on how to clean the lawnmower.